Hi guys, and welcome back again to the Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at something special and new, something that's the first one for this brand, although they are in a way already touching that field with their other products. As you can see in front of us stands just recently released Razer Seiren microphone, and as they called it, a professional studio-grade recording device for musicians, YouTubers and streamers. The product box is really tall and bulky, carrying a lot of in-depth features overview. On the front we have a picture of the microphone facing forward, below it some main features pointed out, while on the back you can see another picture of the microphone with listed out parts and controls for it. On the left and right side you'll find some general overview of the product itself, like basic introduction of different recording patterns, optional recording accessories which you actually also have, you'll see them later on in action, and some talk about the recording quality of the Seiren and other hardware related components and features. Last but not least, on the bottom you'll find some info about the system requirements and technical specifications. Opening up the box, in this separate compartment you will get a nicely braided USB cable for connecting up the microphone to the PC, and of course some user manuals coupled with the usual Razer greeting card from the CEO. And under this big block of protective foam hides the star of our show, the Razer Seiren itself. As you can notice, the microphone is really tall and big, especially in comparison with some other solutions which are usually found in this segment, like the Audio-Technica AT2020. This can be attributed to the fact that it comes with a sturdy and heavy metal stand which carries the microphone. It's a great addition to the overall design of the product, while also being practical and useful, since you can adjust the microphone's tilt to whatever suits your position using the side screws. The main head unit of the microphone has a bulky feel to it, and it really is, supporting high and sturdy build quality. Top and bottom part are wrapped around in this metal mesh, while middle section is surrounded by what seems to be an aluminum sheet, holding on the Razer's logo on the front, and on the back a small OLED screen with volume and recording pattern mode indicator, headphone volume knob and microphone mute switch. Speaking of knobs, on the front you'll find two more, one for microphone volume and the other for changing the recording pattern. On the bottom you'll find the standard microphone mounting hole, headphone jack for zero delay monitoring, USB connection port and very useful dedicated switch for turning on and off the Razer's logo lighting. As we said on the beginning, Razer is offering two more accessories for the Seiren. One is the classic pop filter and the other is also very common shock mount. You can buy them separately from the Razer's web shop, and they are coming in these simple looking boxes with some instructions of course, and other than that and the product itself, that's pretty much it. We easily removed the microphone portion from the stand just by undoing the screws, removed our Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus, and installed the shock mount alongside with the microphone on our table boom hand, put on a pop filter, and we were ready to go. If you were wondering what's the sound quality like, as a matter of fact this whole voiceover was done with the Seiren using the cardioid recording pattern. It's pretty much the same as our Audio-Technica AT2020 USB Plus, very clean and deep, maybe just a bit more on the bassy side than it. This is a sample of bidirectional recording pattern, which basically gives you the same sound quality and feel on the other side of the microphone, while the main side is a bit echoey like this. This pattern is suitable for interviews with two persons, for example opposite of each other. This one is a sample of stereo recording pattern which is suitable for vocals and instruments. And for the last one, this is a sample of omnidirectional recording pattern which is good for environments like conference calls. As for the controls, except the physical buttons and screen on the microphone itself, the Razer Synapse offers you additional control in terms of changing the bitrate and sampling rate, but other than that you cannot do anything else like changing the recording pattern. Thank you once again guys for checking out our unboxing and review of the Razer Seiren microphone. Feel free to give us a thumbs up if you liked this video, leave a comment down below if you have any questions about the product, and of course if you would like to see more content like this you can subscribe to our Tech YouTube channel, or you can check out our other videos from before.